going tonight, guys? I hope everybody's doing good. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Big week behind us, big week in front of us. Let's go ahead and take a look here real quick. So just kind of looking at the overall overnight session here. So far, ES is down just a little bit, about 0.4%. NASDAQ down about 0.58. Russell's getting a nice pop there, trying to lead the way back up. Volatility is pretty much muted, staying down. Saw a pop early on in gold, silver, and oil. The gold and silver pop is kind of giving back a little bit of the gains. And Bitcoin has remained on a slow downcrease through the session so far. So tonight we're just going to keep this quick and sweet. Just going to look at the open here tonight, current price action. Going to take a look at what happened last week. Keep a focus on Friday, what we're watching for the upcoming week. Some of the earnings we're going to be watching, and then what we want to focus on overnight, pre-market, and into the RTH cash session, which we'll obviously have an update by that point. But let's get through this beginning part here. So Friday's market action was a classic example of when good news can be taken as really bad news for markets. The January NFP report showed a gain of more than 500,000 new jobs, despite ongoing layoffs all over tech. Especially concerning, obviously, is the mega tech. This is on top of upward revisions to an already strong figure over the previous 2 months and drove another big wage increase. Wages leaped from last month's report, and now we are seeing more than over 4% year-over-year gain, I believe. This is down from the peak, but well within the range set over the last 2 years. With NFP as strong as it is, and it doesn't look like wage inflation is going anywhere but sideways anytime soon. So for better or for worse. The market will get a reprieve from economic data this week. But of course, the earnings onslaught continues. But another 100-plus S&P 500 earnings are expected this week. So far, the outlook for 2023 has been fading and fading fast. So this round of earnings better not begin to confirm this trend so far. At the current pace, though, the consensus estimate for 2023 S&P 500 earnings growth will hit negative territory by the end of this reporting season, which historically has not ever really been a catalyst for higher equity prices. So again, get a nice little break from some of these events. So just watching the Asian session here overnight. Let's take a look at the earnings that we are seeing coming up ahead here. Some good names reporting tomorrow after the bell. We'll have a couple in there that we're going to want to watch. We don't have too many that are going to be, market shattering until, we get into Tuesday with the McDonald's and Spotify, UPS, Cat's going to be a big one that continues into AMD, EA, Snap after hours. You can see the rest there for the rest of the week. The big ones we'll be watching will be these are all